Functions. A function is a rule that gives exactly one output for every input. Real-life example pizza delivery. A pizza shop charges 200 Indian rupees plus 20 Indian rupees per kilometer for delivery. Function cost equals 200 plus 20 times distance.
1 chilometro 220 rupie indiane. 5 chilometri 300 rupie indiane.
Each distance gives exactly one delivery cost, so this is a function. Limits. A limit tells us what value something is getting closer to. Real-life example parking a car. As you slowly park your car, the distance between the car and the wall becomes smaller and smaller. 1 m away, 50 centimeters away, 10 centimeters away, 1 centimeter away. The distance approaches 0 even before the car touches the wall. Continuity. A function is continuous if it has no breaks or jumps. Real-life example filling a glass. Water rises smoothly as you pour it into a glass. The water level does not suddenly jump from half full to completely full. Derivatives. A derivative measures how fast something changes at a particular moment. Real-life example driving a car. Your speedometer shows
9 Uhr morgens 40 Kilometer pro Stunde. 9 Uhr 5 morgens 60 Kilometer pro Stunde.
The derivative measures how your speed changes over time. Engineers use derivatives to design safer cars and better braking systems. Differentiation rules. These are shortcuts for finding derivatives quickly. Real-life example smartphone battery. Your battery percentage drops differently depending on gaming, video streaming, or calling. Instead of calculating every tiny change manually, differentiation rules provide fast methods to determine the rate of battery drain. Applications of derivatives. Derivatives help us find the maximum, minimum, or best value. Real-life example business profit. A shop owner wants to know the selling price that earns the highest profit. If the price is too low, low profit. Too high, fewer customers. Calculus finds the best price that maximizes profit. Integrals. An integral adds many tiny quantities together to find the total. Real-life example distance traveled. A car changes speed throughout a trip. Instead of simply multiplying speed by time, integration adds every tiny bit of distance traveled to find the total journey.
Intégration technique.
Different problems require different integration methods. Real-life example water tank. Water enters and leaves a tank at different rates. Engineers use various integration techniques to calculate exactly how much water remains after a certain time. Applications of integrals. Integrals calculate totals that cannot be found with simple formulas. Real-life examples. Area of farmland. Volume of a swimming pool. Fuel consumed during a trip. Total electricity used in a day. Fundamental theorem of calculus. This theorem connects derivatives and integrals. Real-life example fitness tracker. Your smartwatch records your speed every second while running. Derivative current running speed. Integral total distance covered. The theorem shows these two ideas are closely connected. Sequences and series. A sequence is an ordered list of numbers. A series is the sum of those numbers. Real-life example saving money. You save 100 Indian rupees every week. Sequence 100 Indian rupees, 200 Indian rupees, 300 Indian rupees, 400 Indian rupees. Series 100 Indian rupees plus 200 Indian rupees plus 300 Indian rupees plus 400 Indian rupees equals 1000 Indian rupees. Multivariable calculus. This studies situations where more than one variable affects the result. Real-life example whether the temperature in a city depends on time, altitude, humidity, wind speed. Since several variables affect the temperature, multivariable calculus is used. Differential equations. These equations describe how things change over time. Real-life examples. Spread of diseases, population growth, cooling of hot coffee, charging a mobile phone. Scientists use differential equations to predict future behavior. Vector calculus. This studies quantities that have both magnitude and direction. Real-life example airplane navigation. A pilot must know speed 800 kilometers per hour, direction east. Both are needed to determine the aircraft's motion. Meteorologists also use vector calculus to study wind and ocean currents.